Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on our Dolby Atmos for gaming in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to find our Dolby Atmos sound options? Of course in settings. So we have to go to sounds and vibrations, and when we scroll all the way down we have sound and quality effects. And in this menu, you can see Dolby Atmos for gaming. By tapping this little box, our function, our Dolby Atmos mode for games specifically, is now turned on. Of course, we have Dolby Atmos normal, quote unquote, here for everything, but we have here specifically for our games. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.